Hey guys, what's up, what's good? It's your girl Shakira. Welcome back to another video. Now in this video, I am going to be doing a lot to my hair. I'm going to be washing my hair, dyeing my hair, trimming my ends because I haven't done this in a while and this is something that you guys have asked me to do. I'm also going to be twisting my hair up and showing you guys some very quick and easy twist out hairstyles that you can do to make your protective hairstyle last a lot longer. The products that I'm going to be using for today's video was sent to me by Organic Solution. They sent me some PR a very long time ago. I used their products, loved their products, and because I absolutely love them, I decided to share it with you guys. Non-sponsored. They saw my video, loved my video, and decided to sponsor the channel. So thank you very much, Organic Solution, for sponsoring this video. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is washing my hair, and I am using shampoo from Organic Solution. I got this shampoo in PR and I absolutely love it because it lathers very well. As you guys can see, it does not strip my hair of all of its moisture and a little goes a long way. So now that my hair is cleansed, I'm just going in with this black dye that I got from my local beauty supply store. I cannot remember ever using this dye before and I honestly do not think my dyeing process was successful. So maybe if you guys have some recommendation for black dye, you can probably leave them in the comment section for me. My hair is more like a 1B and I love when my hair is jet black, so if you have recommendations, let me know in the comment section below. But I'm just applying the dye to my hair like the direction says, and I think I left it for about half an hour before I rinsed it out. So to moisturize my hair right after washing it, I am going in with this detanglement knot sauce. This is a 5-in-1 moisturizer, leave-in conditioner, detangler, curl defining cream, and twisting cream. And I was very surprised at how much slip I got with this product. It definitely has a lot of slip. It is lightweight and very moisturizing. And to keep my hair somewhat stretched, I just twist my hair up and I left my hair like this until my hair was completely dry. Okay, so now I'm just going in with this Hydra Moisture Curl Boosting Smoothie to curl my hair and trim my ends. And the reason why I'm using this product is because this is an anti-frizz and it also elongates your curls. So this product is going to help me to see the difference between my healthy hair and the ends that I need to cut. It also adds shine, it is non-flaking, and it is very moisturizing. So to twist my hair, I added a generous amount of product to that twist, but as I get to the ends of my hair, I'm adding even more product because I want to make sure my hair is properly moisturized so that it can able to tell me my damaged hair from my healthy hair. As you guys can see, the ends of my hair is very frizzy comparing to the rest of my hair, so I know exactly where I need to cut. And anytime I am using this method to trim my hair, I always make sure I'm working in small sections because the smaller the sections, the more accurate you're going to be in regards to how much hair that you need to trim. If you use bigger sections, you either might be cutting too much or not enough, and I like it this way because when I'm finished trimming my hair, I know that I am only cutting the hair that I need to cut, the damaged part of my hair.
And I don't wanna be let down, each road to find. I just wish I'd seen the price tag for my heart breaking. Was it worth all that waiting when I always knew just how I felt?
And to seal in the moisture, I am just going in with this Growth Plus oil from Organic Solution, and I'm using this on my scalp as well as the ends of my hair. And I rocked my hair in these twists for about 2 weeks before I did anything else to my hair. And now I'm going to show you guys how I was able to stretch my hairstyle and make my protective style last even longer by rocking a twist out and creating some quick and easy hairstyles. Okay guys, so I have been rocking my mini twist for about 2 weeks now, and as you guys can see, my ends are looking very nice and neat. So I am just going in with this Growth Plus oil to add some moisture to my hair as well as some shine for my twist out because I plan to leave my twist out in for at least another week. So I'm just going to continue adding the oil to my hair and carefully taking down my mini twist so that my twist out can look very, very good, curly and nice.
Try to forget that you went on with someone else instead. Maybe it's better if I never love, so I don't have to open up, and you don't have to lose my trust every time. When I was getting so attached, when I know that we're gonna crash. Now I wish I could turn you back into someone I never had. I can't pretend I don't need you. I can't pretend I don't love you. I can't pretend I don't miss your touch. I want you so bad. I can't go cry on your shoulder. Feel safe with you when I'm older. Just know I tried to come back for you. I came back for you. Maybe it's better if I never love, so I don't have to open up, and you don't have to lose my trust every time. When my eyes getting so attached, when I know that
So that is basically it, guys. Comment and let me know which one of these quick and easy hairstyles is your favorite. I'll do the same as well, so check me in the comment section. I love you guys and appreciate you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share it if you think this video will be helpful to someone else, and I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.
I